Samsung is preparing to launch a more affordable foldable phone. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE and new leaks have given us a better idea of what to expect. One of the most notable details is that this device will likely be powered by the Exynos 2400E processor. This move suggests Samsung is trying to cut costs while still offering solid performance, making foldable phones more accessible. Samsung is developing two clamshell foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. While the Flip 7 will be the premium flagship, the Fan Edition aims to deliver a similar experience at a lower price. The Fan Edition models usually include slight downgrades to make them more affordable, and from what we've seen so far, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE could be a slightly tweaked version of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. According to a report from Galaxy Club, the international variant of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, model number SMAF761B, will feature Samsung's Exynos 2400E processor, which is also used in the Galaxy S24 FE. The Exynos 2400E is a slightly modified version of the standard Exynos 2400, but with a lower clock speed for its prime core. This means it may have slightly lower performance than its higher-end counterpart, but it should still provide smooth day-to-day performance. However, this leak only refers to the global model, and Samsung often uses different processors for different regions. It is possible that the US versions of the phone, SMAF761U and SMAF761U1, could come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset instead. Aside from the processor, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE isn't expected to bring any major camera upgrades. Leaks suggest that it will feature the same camera setup as the Galaxy Z Flip 5. That means we're looking at a 12MP wide camera and a 12MP ultra-wide camera on the back, along with a 10MP front-facing camera. While these specs aren't the most advanced by today's standards, they should still be capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos. The biggest question surrounding the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is its price. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is currently priced at around €899, and the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to have a similar price tag. Since the Fan Edition will likely come with slightly downgraded hardware, it is expected to launch at a lower price, possibly around €799. If true, this would make it one of the most affordable foldable phones on the market. Samsung seems to be positioning this device as an entry-level foldable for people who want the flip experience without the high cost. Samsung has been investing heavily in foldable technology, but one of the biggest challenges has been making it more affordable. With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, Samsung might be able to bring foldable phones to a much wider audience. While there will be some compromises in terms of performance and features, a Fan Edition could still offer the core experience that makes the Flip series so popular. Another important factor is how the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE will fit into Samsung's overall lineup. With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 set to be the flagship model and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 still available in some regions, Samsung needs to position the Fan Edition carefully. If it is priced too closely to the standard Flip 7, customers might opt for the flagship instead. But if the price is right, the Fan Edition could become a great option for budget-conscious buyers looking to try out a foldable phone. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE could be Samsung's most affordable clamshell foldable yet, featuring an Exynos 2400E chip and a familiar camera setup. While an official announcement is still pending, leaks suggest Samsung is making foldable phones more accessible. If you're looking for a budget-friendly foldable, this might be worth watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.